Welcome back to Where Is It? The fun English quiz where you'll test your knowledge of prepositions. Are you ready? Let's go! Number 1. Look at this picture. Where is the car? The correct answer is A. In front of the house. Great job! Number 2. Where are they hiding? Letter A. Inside the wardrobe. Well done! Number 3. Complete. They are sitting. B. Around the campfire. Last question. Where is the bank? Yes, the bank is across from the bookstore. Awesome work! Well, that's all for today. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.